Okay, welcome students. Welcome to the course of Industrial Engineering. Today we are going to see a method of forecasting uh, that is correlation method. In the continuation of our last lecture, that is forecasting, correlation method is last type of method that we are going to see. We are not seeing numerical part or mathematical part of forecasting techniques. We will see when we have some extra slot for video, because we have to include question and their solution. Okay. Now today's topic is correlation method. Okay. We had seen different types of forecasting techniques. We had seen historical techniques. We had seen correlation, but some theoretical part only. Among the all techniques, correlation techniques is based on competitiveness of the firm. Okay, competitiveness of the firm means you are going to see or going to relate your data, your forecasting with your competitive other competitor. Okay, means when we are going to use this correlation method, we have to compare our sales data with the corresponding competitor of the same product. Suppose a Chinese company, maybe Vivo, Oppo, may compare or Redmi may compare their sales of last month with another company, say Motorola, Samsung. Okay. Then on the basis of that, they may going to forecast how much will be sell of Redmi or whatever the Vivo or any other Oppo company, maybe Motorola is going to relate their sales with Chinese company and so on. That is market trend. Market is doing that things, not a big deal. Okay. Now write down in correlation method. Write down what we had discussed. Write with me. This method is used when an organization finds that the sale of its product has a relationship with sales of a product of another organization. Write down. This method is used when an organization find when an organization find that the sale of its product that the sale of its product the sale of its product has a relationship with the sale of another organization. Okay, what we had discussed, we had write down. Okay, one more thing I want to discuss. Then we are going to see example, new example related to correlation method. Suppose a company produces or work on braking system of a truck. Okay, suppose a company work on braking system of a truck or any automobile. Means the sale of truck is directly related to the sale of brakes. You know, each and every automobile or each and every trucks have their own braking system. Without braking system, no automobile is working. We all know. मूवी में आप देखे होंगे कि ब्रेक नहीं लग रहा है, गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है. तो ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम तो सब में होता है, ठीक है. मीन्स ब्रेकिंग सिस्टम मीन्स अ कंपनी making brakes. A company making brakes is directly related to the brakes of truck automobile. Means each and every automobile have brake and sale of brake is directly related to the sale of automobile. Got it? Okay. Now we are understanding the things more clearly. All the things is happening. Right on. Then we will move on. Example here. Example. The sale of braking system of a truck the sale of the sale of braking system of a truck is directly related to sale of the truck or sale of truck. Okay. Similarly, the sale of, say, tires. Each automobile or each vehicles have a tire. Means the sale of tire is directly related to the sale of the automobile. Say for example, bicycle means bicycle have couple of tire. The sale of that tire is directly related to the sale of cycle. Now we are totally understand the things. What is correlation method? How the things is going to correlate. Now अभी और चीजें हैं जो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. In this method, the total sale of related product is found out on market consumption. Means what is the consumption of that product in the market, that is going to tell the sale of that product. Suppose मार्केट में ऐसी बातें हैं और जल्दी मार्केट कंजप्शन पे ही इनके सेल भी डिपेंड करते हैं. सेल यहाँ पे SALE है, ठीक है, हम यहाँ लिख चुके हैं. सपोज मार्केट में कंजप्शन है दैट MRF tire is very good. Okay, एक consumption है मार्केट में. Then on the basis of that consumption only, the sale of MRF tire is increased. Suppose जैसे कि अभी कोरोना पीरियड है, मार्केट में कंजप्शन आई, कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीने से कोरोना हो रहा है. मार्केट में कंजप्शन आया कि कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीने से कोरोना हो रहा है. देन automatically on the basis of that market consumption, the consumption of cold drinks is deteriorated. Means market consumption is very important for the sale of product. Okay, write down the things that we have discussed. In this method, the sale or the total sale of a related product, in this method, the total sale of a product is based on market consumption. Okay, is based on market consumption. From this, demand for one's product is worked out considering the market share. Write down for this means for this method, for this market, for this demand for one's product is based on market share. ओके, नाउ इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अपने प्रोडक्ट का मार्केट शेयर पता करेंगे. सपोज वी हैव नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट और नंबर ऑफ competitive product in the market. Okay, then among that product means that competitive product, you are going to find out the share of your product on the base of consumption or on the base of sale, and on that basis you are going to forecast that the demand for that product will be say 1 lakh of piece per month or 10,000 of piece per day, whatever be the market share. The industrial engineer means you, as industrial engineer, you are going to forecast the things that how much amount of product a company is going to produce on the basis of that share. Okay, got it? Some more things. Last 2-3 points. Demand for some product may be related to economic and non-economic factor like national income. Demand for some product may be economical or economic or non-economic is based on national income. Okay, is based on national income, like defense expenditure, population growth, etc. Okay, so demand of some product, that we have an example of defense expenditure. We know that the expenditure on defense is totally governed by Government of India or any other country's own government. Okay? Whatever will be the process of selection of that government, that not our cup of tea, but this type of expenditure, or you may include some agriculture or education expenditure, but focusly or mainly the defense type of procurement or buying of defensive equipment is totally based on national income. If a country have income more, that is, we know that we are progressing. We means India is progressing toward the 5 trillion economy. So if the progress is increased, suppose we get the 5 trillion economy, that obviously the defense expenditure on different sector, including defense also, may get increased. We have we have different aggressive neighbor, that is China, Pakistan, and some sort of Nepal also. So on the basis of that, India is going to increase or decrease or may at that level the expenditure on the basis of national income. Got it? Last line or last point. Now, if we have some empirical relation with the demand, then we will able to forecast the things. Okay, write down last line. If we can establish empirical relation relationship, यहाँ पे SHIP है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा छोटा शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हो गया है, ठीक है? Empirical relationship between these factor and our product, we can forecast the demand accurately. We can forecast the demand accurately. Okay? Means if we going to get a empirical relation, and how we are going to get empirical relation? By the expert or by the experienced person, they may get some empirical relation with demand or the factor that is the sale of that or on the basis of market share, they may predict what will be the consumption or what will be the sale of that product. Okay, got it? Now that is all about correlation method. Now I am giving concluding remark that correlation method is a type of forecasting techniques. In it we are going to correlate two different things with our product. Say example, the braking system of an automobile is directly related to the sale of that automobile. Means we know that an automobile definitely have a braking system, and the company that work on the braking system is somewhere related to or somewhere depend on the sale of the automobile. That is the correlation method. Means two things are correlating the third things, and if we, that is industrial engineer, may able to establish or able to get empirical relationship with the different factors and our product, we may forecast the things accurately. Okay, so that is all about correlation method. In the next lecture, we may see flexible manufacturing. Today I am only introducing the term. Then in the next lecture, we see or we will see each and every aspect of flexibility or flexible manufacturing. Flexible manufacturing. Suppose in a company we have different things, and the worker is on his own basis may take decision. You may learn measurement and methodology as subject. You may know about the things. Suppose a company is going to make a shaft of diameter 5 millimeter. One second. Okay. So a company is manufacturing a shaft of diameter 5 millimeter. So the company tells their manufacturing engineer as well as worker that there will be allowance of 5 millimeter plus minus 1%. Okay, plus minus 1% means 1% of 5 millimeter maybe their allowance means there will be some flexibility in manufacturing. You may not manufacture accurate. Nowadays the things or the machinery are there that is manufacturing exact size, but in the flexible manufacturing we may consider the flexibility of the product or the flexibility of the size of the product. Okay, so the manufacturing engineer may get some allowance of 1% of the dimension or the 1% of exact dimension of a company, sorry, of a product. Means a company is making 5 millimeter of the shaft, then the worker may correct themselves with allowance of 1% of actual dimension. So I am ending here with the note of flexible manufacturing. After after sorry, in next lecture we will see detail about flexible manufacturing and the theoretical part of the things. Okay, thank you.